that I can't seem to find. When I go to reach it, just leaves my mind. Waking with no. How could a poem hold the way I see your soul? All the colors, all the feeling, all the of your being. I slip into a cold and step outside. A dark and quiet road appears out of the smoke. It leads me to a valley, secret emerald grove of cedar trees and pines. I walk for miles and miles. All the colors, all the feeling, all the wonder of your being. The light becoming clear, I walk along. Pull my hat over my ears, scale the old limestone. A spring beneath the leaves, in a forest free to grow, with the orange morning glow, and then it starts to snow. In the color, in the feeling, it's the wonder of your being. You are the space that lies between the water and the great blue heron.
Oh wow.